What has happened? What are we fighting for? Now we can't go back and we can't move on. No point to pretend anymore. Better not judge. I'm not keeping score. All I did was wait for the shit to make. I never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing something completely different, something that I've never shown on this channel, something that I've never talked about on this channel, just something different. So as you might have noticed, I'm in a different vehicle and there's a reason for that, and I'm gonna tell you the reason soon, I promise. But today I am actually gonna be spending a few hours working, and I decided to bring you guys along with me on my working adventure. So hopefully it will be a busy one, but not super busy, so I have time to film. But yeah, we'll see. Fingers crossed. I need to make some money because I'm running super low. Anyways, let me get everything ready and then we will start working. Okay, so I just got my first order and we are going to go pick it up and drop it off. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I think I forgot to mention it. We are doing Postmates. So I used to, when I still lived in Portland on my days off and stuff, I used to do Uber and Uber Eats just to make some extra cash. And I decided while we're still in Portland, why not and try to make some extra money. So I decided to do Postmates. So yeah, we're gonna go get our first order. Okay, so I just completed the first order and now I am going to pick up the second order. I got the second order sent to me while I was driving this order in, so that's what we're gonna do. Once again, the reason why I'm doing this is because we're here in Portland. I don't know how long we're gonna stay here for, but I figured in the meantime, while we're still here, I can do some Postmates. And the cool thing about Postmates is it's in so many different cities, and once we get to like a new city, let's say like Nashville or something like that, then I can just easily transfer over there and do Postmates there. So, and then you can use whatever you want, you know, a motorcycle, a van, a bicycle, whatever it is. So since we're gonna have two vans, I can easily use the Astra for that, like in the mornings while Jed is sleeping or something like that. So that's the whole idea. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so far I've done 3 deliveries. I'm sorry this video hasn't been very interesting, I guess. I'm keep trying to like remember to film when I like go pick them up and go drop them off, but I totally forget because it's, even though it's supposed to be like slow time, it's still pretty busy, like busier than I expected. So I'm like trying to hustle and make some monies. I did get a cash tip, which was nice. I was able to buy myself a McDonald's, just a Big Mac, because I was hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna turn on the app again and do a few more deliveries, and then go back to see Jed. So, and then I'll let you know more about the car and why I'm in this car and not in the van, and so on. Okay, so I just picked up another order and then I'm about to go drop it off. I know this place. I'm not gonna show you because it's very hard to turn the camera around, but this building that's behind you guys used to be a poker club that I would go to all the time and play poker at. But they closed down about a year ago, and now it's nothing. It's for lease. Sad, sad. Okay, we're here. I'm gonna go drop this thing off and I'll be right back. Okay. Delivery complete. Woo! It's peak hours now. Everything is red, as you can see. So, I want to do like 1 or 2 more deliveries, and then I'll be done. Okay, just got another order, and I'm actually already here to pick it up. I think this might be my last one for today. So, and then we can go somewhere else so I can talk to you more about the car and everything else that I'm doing. Okay, lots of Thai food today, that's for sure. Let me just put it in the, oops, Postmates bag. This bag, it's kind of cheaply made, but it does keep food hot. So anyways, let me go drop it off, and then we'll go from there. Almost there. That's a very short one. It was very close. It's probably not gonna pay well, but it's okay. That's totally okay. But anyway, so if you're thinking about like this lifestyle and you are a younger person who's not retired and you're thinking like, what kind of jobs can you do? There's a lot of different ways you can like start your own business. You can be a digital nomad, but doing like Postmates and DoorDash is also a huge option because it's everywhere and it's very easy to transfer. So if you start in Portland and then you go to like Los Angeles or something, you can easily, like, it takes maybe a day for them to transfer you over there, and you can do deliveries there as well. And it's especially if you have like a bicycle or a motorcycle, it's a good way because you're not wasting a lot of gas by driving your van. So yeah, it's kind of neat. That's done, and I got another $5 cash tip, which is always nice. We'll park the car, and now I am gonna tell you what's up with the car. So this car actually used to be my car. I bought it when I moved here to Portland because my old car was having some issues. And it's 2016 Toyota RAV4. I bought it in 2015 now, at the end of 2015. So I love this car, I really do. And I miss it, especially after today. Especially after driving it today, I do miss it. But I don't need it, and that's one of the reasons why I sold it. I sold it to my old coworker who actually at that time when I was selling this car, I really needed the car, so it kind of worked out perfectly, and now he actually lets me borrow it whenever I want to. So I'm gonna be borrowing this car from him while he's at work, so I can do some work as well. Jed and I both kind of, you know, we need some money. For me, I'm just trying to save up enough so we can hit the road sooner. So that's what I'll be doing. I just wanted to show you like what my day is like when I do deliveries like this. I know it's not the most interesting thing, but it is what it is, right? And I just wanted to show you the, I think that young Vanwillers can do while on the road, because you can do Postmates really anywhere, anywhere they have it, you can do it. So it's a good option for people who are wanting to do van life, who are younger, who are still not sure what they can do for money while on the road. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and click that bell notification. And as always, don't forget to leave the comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about Postmates. Do you do Postmates? Do you think it's a good way for people to make money while living on the road, while being van dwellers? Let me know. I love hearing from you. And as always, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.